Club leaders, we held the Peace Box initiative at CAIS again this year.
We increased the Peace Box quality even more by having our very own checklist for these categories of elderly, children, and family.
As a result, we were able to raise a total of 290 boxes.
We are very grateful and happy to be able to share this light with the entire Hong Kong community.
咁我就認為啦，老人家其實係好孤獨啦。咁其實老人家咧其實通常都只需要一份關懷啦，同埋就係有人可以陪到佢哋傾偈啦。其實我哋每個人只要付出少少嘅關懷出去俾老人家嘅話，老人家其實都會好開心。
我整理 Peace Box 嗰陣咧，我就咧見到我哋嗰個同學啦，就將啲食品或者日用品擺落個 Peace Box 度。我覺得佢哋充滿住關懷啦，對長者我覺得佢哋好友善啦。我覺得如果呢個世界咧每個人都出分力，就可以令到呢個世界變得更加有愛。
喺呢個 Peace Box 嘅活動裏面，我印象最深刻嘅咧就係同長者一齊排隊同埋玩遊戲，因為當我哋一齊玩遊戲嘅時候，我哋兩個都好享受其中，而贏咗遊戲之後，我哋攞到小禮物，好開心，好快樂咁樣一齊慶祝我哋攞到小禮物。